Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we'll be modeling a simple chair and a table in Blender. This is a fantastic way to get familiar with the software's core functionalities. So let's jump right in. I'll start by creating the base of the chair. So begin with the basic plane as the foundation of our chair. In Blender, navigate to the Add menu, Mesh submenu, select plane, or you can use the keyboard shortcut Shift+A. Select Mesh followed by Plane to add a flat plane to your scene. Now let's adjust the plane's size to our desired dimensions. Simply select the plane and press the S key. While holding S, you can use the X, Y and Z keys to scale the plane along its respective axes. For building the chair frame, once we have our base plane sized appropriately, it's time to give it some depth. We'll achieve this by extruding the plane. To enter edit mode, press the tab key or go to the top left corner and select edit mode. From the modes shelf, select top face on the plane. Then press the E key to initiate the extrusion process. Drag your mouse to define the desired thickness of the chair. Once satisfied, confirm the extrusion with a left click. Now let's add some detail to our chair's frame. We can achieve this by utilizing loop cuts. Press Ctrl+R to activate the loop cut tool. Use the scroll wheel on your mouse to adjust the number of cuts you desire. For this chair, let's add 2 loop cuts in both directions, along the plane's length and width. The next step involves creating the chair's leg. With careful selection, using the Shift key, choose the 4 corner faces of the plane. Now repeat the extrusion process. Press E to extend these faces downwards. These extrusions will form the legs of our chair. Moving on to the backrest, select these 3 faces that will constitute the chair's back. Press the F key to convert these faces into one larger surface or face. Now extrude this newly formed face upwards to create the backrest of the chair. For the chair handles, select these 2 faces on either side of the base. Repeat the extrusion process to extend these faces vertically, forming the handles for our chair. Repeat process of loop cuts for horizontal handle extrusion, and extrude horizontally by selecting these 2 faces. To make the chair more realistic, we'll utilize a powerful feature in Blender called Modifier. In this instance, we'll be employing the Subdivision Surface modifier. Navigate to the Properties panel, locate the Modifiers section, and search for Subdivision Surface. Remember to ensure the chair object is selected and you are currently in object mode. After that, now you see the chair looks worse as we expected a realistic view. And this is because our chair lacks enough details to work with. So what I'm gonna do here to fix this is switch back to edit mode and add a few more loop cuts to its every leg, base, handle and backrest. After this, as you see, it looks much better, and for smoother final result, let's increase the levels in modifier settings. Click the drop-down menu and select Apply. Finally, with the chair object selected, right-click and choose Shade Smooth from the Context menu. This will ensure a visually appealing curved surface for our chair. In beginning of the video, I said we will model table as well, but I assign you to do this task. As I already created here, now it's your time. This exercise serves as a springboard for further exploration within the software. Feel free to share your thoughts in comment section. Subscribe to stay updated for future videos. Thanks for watching.